I just want to, you have to keep in mind that just like a fireman's trained to put out fires or a mechanic to put in a motor, these officers are trained. Please keep that in mind. They can't have the same mindset that a normal citizen has or can say. They're trained. You're trained for people that may do things that are unexpected. He could have been drugged down to the ground. There was multiple police officers there. Why would the first instinct of any officer be to draw a weapon next to 3 children, less than a foot from three children that he was supposed to be saving? He could have shot and hurt himself. That can't be the way they train him at the academy, is it? So he snatched the t-shirt of the young man and shot him 7 times in the back. What would you have liked to see? Them taken down if they thought there was something he needed to go in front of a court and adjudicate. That's the proper way the police should be policed.
We will talk further about any civil remedies that we will seek later, obviously with my co-counsel Ben Crump and Patrick Selvey. We will say that we've definitely investigated in the works. I think that there's no question that there was a civil rights violation that happened back in August of 2020. I think the video is very clear that Jacob never posed an imminent harm to anyone. That there was never a knife extended. He never raised a knife. He never unfolded a knife. There was no point in the video that is articulable for an officer to say that he was under harm at a particular point. So I think, I think that's completely bogus, and I think that is just a rationalization to try to show what is really essentially an intentional act. Obviously, yes, the district attorney does have to have good conscience that they can fulfilly pursue their case. But I think that's evident. I think that when America saw the 20-second video of that, I think that's more than sufficient to establish probable cause. And we are very disappointed that there weren't charges. I think that Jacob didn't do anything wrong. I mean, what he did was, I believe he was assaulted by officers prior to even what you've seen in that video. And I think that all Jacob was doing is just trying to get to a safe place. That's it. He knew his kids were in that car. He just wanted to get to a safe place. That's it. There was no de-escalation whatsoever. You don't see any de-escalation. You don't see, there's 3 or 4 officers there. They couldn't tackle Jacob. It's preposterous, the actions that they took. 7 times, then you shoot 7 times. Even 1 shot would be more than unjust, but shooting 7 times,